Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I sound sick as a dog because I am. So we're just gonna keep going with the punches from this beautiful weather. Thank you for getting me sick. And we're gonna get started with this Halloween look. But here we are. So in this makeup look, I plan to do spider spider look because my friend told me to do it. So that's what we're gonna do. So the first thing that I started doing is my eyes. So I'm gonna make my eyes be black smoky or smoky eye. But yeah. And then I'm going with I've been using this as foundation and concealer lately just because, I don't know, maybe I'm just lazy. But I've been loving it. It's by Too Faced. It's the natural beige. And I use it all over. And I'm using my beauty blender to make sure everything's sharp, especially with the eyeshadow. I don't know what it is lately. I don't want to wear a lot of foundation, just concealer. And this concealer works wonders because it kind of like vice versa. It could act like concealer and foundation together, which is perfect and less work, duh. And then I'm using my e.l.f. Jumbo Black pencil to use all over my waterline. And I'm going to smudge that too as well. And I'm putting some bronzer on. And I'm bringing it down a little. I don't know if you guys noticed that. I'm bringing it down to make my cheekbones look a little more like, make everything to look a little bit thinner. And it's Halloween, I could do whatever I want, duh. So yeah, after that, I'm gonna go back, like I said, and use a black eyeshadow just to really like use that underneath my lash line and make things pop. And I'm using like an eyebrow pencil or eyeliner brush, I should say. Then after that, I'm using this lip liner that's more like a wine color, I would say, like a deep wine color. And I'm using a liquid lipstick. I forgot the name of this color. Yeah, I got distracted and I started talking to my trainer because aka Janae, aka because she was trying to help me out with this video. I didn't know what to do. I wanted to go in some of the different routes until she kind of like guided me a little bit. So I'm pretending that I have a spider like halfway in my mouth and that I'm eating it, as gross as that sounds, but that was like a little bit of that inspiration. And I'm just patting black eyeshadow little by little. And yeah, here we are. So I'm using an eyeliner just to like make the legs, and I'm using the Revolution, this little kit special effects that I got with like cream paint on it, and I'm basically highlighting the legs to make it stand out and creating little details and shadows around the legs. And then I'm pretending that there's blood and spiders. What Janae told me, this is what Janae told me, that spiders have blood that's green. That's why I was hysterically laughing because I was going to do them red, and so she told me to do them green. And we're going back and forth about the blood, as you guys can see. So I'm just kind of like smearing it everywhere, making it work, making it look disgusting. Yep, going back and forth. And I look crazy. And then I decided to do the other legs for the spider. in one of my eyes, in the right side of my eye. At first I was so confused if this is gonna look dumb, but it actually came out better than I expected. And I just use a felt tip eyeliner just to make the legs, and then I go back to make them a little bit thicker. I did mess up, so I did use like a flat concealer brush just to kind of clean up a little bit because it was looking a little crazy, and then I go back to make shadows, to make highlights with the white paint again, and then I just use like a light tan or just like any like neutral eyeshadow just to make the shadows from it, and I use a angled brush to do that, to make the details from it. I sound disgusting. Anyways, and then again, I'm going back to highlighting certain areas, cleaning it up, fixing a little bit, making more shadows. So then I decided to do spiders kind of like crawling, going up my neck. Janae actually gave me this idea too, to make, I started making them way too big, and then I kind of realized, so I started making them a little bit smaller, just so it looks like it's like baby spiders going up your neck. You could totally make them smaller if you guys want. This is just my version of it. And little by little, I just started bringing them up with the illusion that there was like spiders crawling up my neck. So I did put the spiders all the way up, even around like where I have my spider around my eye, just to kind of make it seem like that's like the big mom spider, I guess. But this is the final look. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Give this video a huge thumbs up. Let me know down in the comments below what you guys want to see next, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.
Like